there's two ways that you can upload these to Instagram. The first way is if you come up to the top and you click on to share, you go down, you click on to Instagram. This is going to allow you to link your Instagram account to Canva, which I've done many times. Then you can post immediately, or you can schedule the posts over a period of time. And it's very easy to schedule 3 to 5 a day, which is really going to help you blow up your Instagram account. The other thing that you can obviously do is click onto this one as an example, go to share, scroll down, you can click on to download, and you can literally choose which one of these you want to download. Once you download that, then you can just go over to Instagram and upload these posts. And to upload these posts is super simple, guys. All you need to do is come over here, click on to create, click on to post, and then drag and drop that post on to Instagram. Now what I want to do is show you how you're going to monetize this to make money online with these faceless digital marketing posts. Now before I do that, guys, if you enjoyed that video, all I ask that you do is that you smash that like button in appreciation. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I've got some more awesome content coming your way. And what I'd love to know is where you're from, so go down the bottom and comment the country that you're from and how much money you need to make weekly in order to leave your 9 to 5. I would love to hear it and I'll reply back to everyone. So remember at the start of this video, guys, I told you that I was going to show you where you can go to get a bit more information on an Instagram domination guide, which is actually mine that I put together, which I'm going to give you for free. I'm also going to tell you where you can get an amazing course that you can resell for $499 and also get a free course. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because when you create this content, you need something to promote. Now, if you go down the bottom in the description of this video, you want to click on to stan.store/faceless tactics.